stopping for some lunch. We packed our own picnic. There's Sadie. She just gave us the raspberries.
Hey.
We'll see what else we get into here. What are you guys doing?
Paddle boating. We're paddle boating.
They're going to get ready and get on the paddle boats. Just the girls are going to go this round. There's the paddle boat. And there's the lake. You excited?
Yes. It's a little tight and hot.
Forward, go forward. Backwards, go back. Look in the middle of your steering wheel. You guys have 15 minutes. Go back.
There they go.
Go forward around. If you guys want to turn, whichever way you want to turn, that person pedals.
There they go.
Guys, make sure you stay away from the other boats, okay?
Paddling away.
So right now we are going to play golf. Me, Kaylee, and Daddy are. So
Gonna play some mini golf, and it's an itty bitty little course. That's it, right there.
Alright, Kaylee goes first.
And there's Zach with the baby. He didn't want to play today. We're gonna do some other things.
So we have a disadvantage because he plays golf a lot. So do I go again? Oh.
She just sleeping.
My turn. That's probably gonna win. That's my thing. What do I do it? He's gonna get one shot.
Alright, Cassie, you go next.
No kidding.
Cassie, you're farthest away. Farthest away goes. Then Kaylee, then I'll go. Oh. Oh. Alright, Kaylee, you can move it a little bit from the edge if you want. Yep. There you go. There you go.
Can't swing.
That's plenty. Plenty.
She tried to do a trick shot right there.
Whoa!
Woohoo!
Daddy, go. Wait, who goes next? Cassie?
Cassie. Aim. Aim for it. Ooh. Real close. Good, Kaylee. Real close. Nice shot. That's 3 for you. Okay, Cass.
You 2.
I have 2.
Yeah, you 2.
Ooh.
Me 3. Am I out?
Now you got one more shot.
She has one more shot until she's. She is.
What was that?
She is
Go
disqualified.
ahead.
We'll try again next round. All right, they just finished their mini golf tournament, and I have the results. Are you ready?
Well, first we gotta see what the winner does to the losers.
You'll have to wait and see.
Come on. Ow!
All right. In third place is Cassidy. Get back over here. And in first place is Dad. Ha! Well now.
No! We
Loser dance!
It's like this.
Better luck next time.
I'm angry because Daddy has actually Daddy's a better cheater. luck in the golf because
It has nothing to do with luck.
He does it for fun.
But that's not luck.
Time for work.
No, you had a big tournament.
Hey, you got a free golf ball.
Hey.
And there's Zach back there on his rock. He's claimed that rock as his own.
Well, let's take it over.
We're taking it over.
So what does the winner does to the losers?
He just gave you the loser
I
dance.
gave you the loser.
He
Dun,
did
dun,
it so hard. He's
dun.
supposed to do this.
I have my own version.
He's like this.
What should we do next?
Playground.
There's a playground, there's a maze, there's shops, there's exhibits.
Maze.
Ice cream.
I guess you guys will just have to wait and see. You know that's toilet water, right? Just kidding. We're in the Native American exhibit at Bushkill Falls. Neat.
Guys, look what's cool. Should I take you guys through there? You can actually go in it.
Go ahead.
Okay. Okay. This is actually designed. Whoa. Hello, my American tribe. This is actually like super old. This is what they would have. Corn! We found corn!
It's not corn, it's mice.
Oh, mice. Okay. And the beds.
This is not tasty.
This right here, this fluffy thingy, is deer skin and a bear skin and the nose. And me. And Cassie. Then let's go out. Bye bye. Alright, so right now we are going to get ice cream.
Ice cream.
We're actually getting
What kind are you getting?
I'm getting, cookies and cream milkshake.
Cookies and cream milkshake?
I'm getting vanilla bean milkshake.
What are you getting?
I'm getting the same as her.
Vanilla bean milkshake. What are you getting?
Moose tracks.
Moose track. What are you getting? Say water. All right. See all the ice cream. I think I'm gonna get moose tracks or cookie dough. I don't know yet. So good. How are they?
Good.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Mine has
Is it delicious? She grabbed that deer off the shelf and didn't let it go, so it's ours. Well, we paid for it. Ice cream. It's a cool place too.
So, I thought this said King of Poop, and it's actually Pop.
King of Pop.
I had an overspillage with mine.
Yeah, they spilled hers all over. It's okay. More to drink.